സൈറാസ് കിച്ചണിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഞാനിന്ന് വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് ഒരു ട്രാവൽ വ്ളോഗാണ്. ഇതിനു മുന്നേ 2017 യാത്ര പോയ സിംഗപ്പൂർ യാത്രയുടെ കുറച്ച് ഫോട്ടോസുകളും നിങ്ങളുമായി ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുകയാണ്. നമുക്ക് കുറച്ച് സ്ഥലങ്ങളും കുറച്ച് കാഴ്ചകളും കണ്ടിട്ട് വരാം.
When you're checking out at the same time after
the bus only, and we'll be going to the same bus for the city.
Yes.
For washing.
So when you see me, you will know that.
No issue. No issue.
Okay, no issue.
Yeah.
Not to worry because today we have too many groups. We'll be there at 12 o'clock.
Thank you.
Okay, and then I'll make sure that the vehicle is there for you. Make sure your luggage is all full with you. Okay?
Okay.
You will leave us in the hotel.
Yes, today morning now is 7 o'clock. You can go and have your breakfast. You go and check in first. After that, you can have your breakfast. But remember, breakfast is only from 7 to 10. You come down after 10, no more breakfast. Okay?
That day we will get lunch.
Lunch is 12 to 1.
No breakfast, just lunch.
Okay? I mean, depends on how you all want to take it. If you all feel that after your breakfast, you just want to put your stuff there and then have your breakfast and go out to do something. I mean, after you check in, go out and see around first. And then once you're at the hotel,
Choice.
it's free and easy.
Choice is yours.
Yes.
What to do?
What is to do from the time you land at the hotel is up to you.
Okay.
Okay, if you decide you do not want to have your breakfast, you want to go and rest and lie in, it's up to you.
This hotel is 5-star or 7-star?
7-star, different, not this hotel.
Only 3-star.
But whatever it is, it's a very beautiful hotel. Alright, very nice, very clean.
What's the name?
King's Copthorne.
Cropton Kings.
Copthorne Kings.
Address is
Copthorne King. So it's a king, right? Copthorne King, King, right? Must be fit for the king, lah. So you all are the king and the queen for the day. What?
Will be in
No,
the same
different
hotel.
hotels but same area.
No, we will be in the same hotel now.
You all will be in the same
Same
hotel.
hotel.
12 of you will be in the same hotel.
And very near. I mean.
I have not got the room keys. I wouldn't know. So once you check in, then you will know who's beside who.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. After at 12 o'clock when you're coming down for lunch, please bring down your own luggages. Okay.
Yeah.
So don't worry. I will be there at 12
We
o'clock.
should keep one extra dress with our hand baggage.
Extra. Would you have the time to change after the city tour? I doubt. Because by the time you finish from the city tour, you'll go straight on to the harbour front. Check in already to the cruise center.
It will take some time for getting the baggage from the cruise.
Yes, once you are inside the cruise, then inside the ship, then you will be able to retrieve your baggage after.
If we are getting ready before that, so
No, your luggages will follow you at
cruise,
4 o'clock. Yeah.
After checking in cruise, it will take time to get the
Yes, so if
baggage.
you think that you want to have an extra set of clothes in your hand
That will be
luggage,
nice.
by all means.
Yeah.
Okay, just keep an extra set if that makes you comfortable.
Yeah.
But if you think that never mind, I will wait until I get on to my room in the cruise, on the ship, then it's up to you. Okay, so it depends on your own convenience as what you want to do.
Okay.
So far, I haven't heard people want to carry their extra luggages. I mean, like now you have to carry in your hand luggage, right? Then the city tour, you have to carry it all around with you.
Okay.
So the choice is yours.
What is the name of that restaurant, madam?
Which restaurant?
We seeing in front. Far ahead. Marina Bay Sands. Top.
Oh, the one with the ship, Marina Bay Sands.
Marina Bay Sands.
Yes, it's a hotel. It's a integrated hotel and casino. Right? Okay, on your right, what you see, the two white skeleton domes there are Gardens by the Bay. And you see the trees, that one is super trees. And the flyer is a Ferris wheel. Okay, this is what you call, you will be able to. No, you won't be able to see Gardens by the Bay, but you will be able to see the flyer.
All this made within this last 15 years.
2000.
Yeah.
2000.
Wow.
Marina Bay, the Marina Bay Park area, including the Esplanade Theatre by the Bays, the Locust Art and Science Museum, all were open in the year from 2008 to 2010. So they are all only about 17, 18,
I was
7, 8 years
here
old.
99 and 2000.
It was not here. Not open yet.
Not after that.
They were all open in 2008 and 2010 respectively. By 2011, all the buildings around the Marina Bay area was already open. Anybody without this red card? All have, huh? Okay, now. This one is Gardens by the Bay on your left. No, this one on your left, Gardens by the Bay. This one is Marina Bay. Yeah, and this is Marina Bay Sands Hotel.
What is the old restaurant?
Sky Park,
How much?
100 years old history. Okay, before that we do not have much written history, unlike other countries. Even though the island was there, they have a long history. Our known history is only 700 years, and most of the history comes from the Chinese, from the travelers from China, or the Greek travelers, or the Greek one and the Chinese travelers, and the Indian travelers who have traveled in during the Singapore during the maritime days. And the very well known history is the 12th century history of Singapore in the 12th century was known as Temasek, a fishing village. Alright, and Sanglila Utama, an Indonesian prince, saw Singapore from his island of one of the islands from Indonesia, and decided to come over to Singapore. And he saw an animal and asked his advisors, what is this animal? They told him that it's a lion. Alright, so from Temasek we became Singapura. Singa in Sanskrit means lion, right? Pura means city. So he changed the name to Lion City.
Lion City.
So we became known as Lion City from the 12th century onwards. 1819, we were rediscovered by Sir Stafford Raffles as a trading port. And after we were discovered as a trading port in 1819, a couple of months later, John Crawford bought over the whole island from the Sultan Hussein. So from then on, we became under British East India Company, which is at the same time India was being ruled by the British, right? So after 1819, the economy here grew very quickly because we were a free trading port. Indonesia was ruled by the Dutch. People had to pay to go to their ports. So the merchants decide to come to Singapore. So our economy grew very fast, and that is how many people from China, India, Middle East, and other European countries decided to come to Singapore to do business. Fortunately, when you go to Merlion Park today, you will not be seeing the Merlion, because every month they will close the Merlion for 1 or 2 weeks to do maintenance. Because the poor guy will forever be sprouting water all his waking hours. So his throat also very painful, right? Sore throat already, I think. After always sprouting water, right? Like a fountain. Okay, now we are entering into the new business district. Okay, the Marina Bay Financial Center is around here. The ones that is coming up is going to be a 24/7 place where you reside, you work, you live, and you play, and reclaim from the sea. So we will say more than about 200. The famous Marina Bay Sands Hotel, which has got a sky park on top, and the swimming pool perched right on the top.